We have here is a 20-volt battery operated grinder that could cut metal, plastics, and more. We're going to open it up, show you what it has in store for you inside. We got to fit this PVC and metal together and do a project. So we're going to show you what this is all about. 4.5 cutting wheel, as well as 2 batteries and 8,500 RPM. We open up the unit. It is nicely packed. We have an instruction manual with the warning label. It's quick charging. What we're going to do is charge up that battery with the charger. 18.5 volt battery goes to the charger with the green light that would turn red and green when fully charged. 4.0 20 volt lithium. We have a handle, the 1/4 20 thread, so it gives you additional grip to the unit. It goes on to either of the sides, depending on if you're a left or right-handed person. It goes on an angle, so please careful when you slide it in. And you get additional cutting blades. You have here is the tool to take off and on the unit. It's a blade replacement tool. This has soft start and restart protection. These are the blades, 4.5 inch, 115 millimeter for the unit. Unscrew, place it in your blade, screw on. So let's make sure our blade is on correctly, which it is. It slides in, and we need to tighten down on the brushless motor. There are 2 little notches that fall into place with a locking mechanism on the opposite side that you press in, and then you tighten down. We are ready to use the unit when our battery is fully charged. We have a switch which you press in, slide forward, push forward to lock into place, press down to stop. If you just want to run the tool and then stop it, that's the way you do it. So let's go cut out a piece of metal. If you're looking for a brushless grinder, it has a locking mechanism that you insert the battery that will prevent it from turning on, turn it off, and then you're able to turn it on again. This unit here has a indicator of battery level on the bottom, so you can see how much battery you have. It's portable. Take anywhere you want to take it. It fits back into the case nicely. Cover everything up, and off you go to the next cutting job. Take the instructions, read it. It's got some good information in there for you. Lock it on up, and I hope you enjoy your ZKH cutter for the next grinding job. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.